Coffee is one of the most widely consumed beverages in the world, but it's far more than just a morning pick-me-up. In this video, we'll explore the health benefits of coffee, simple coffee hacks, and how to turn your daily cup into a functional superfood. Along the way, I'll show you how small, intentional additions will dramatically enhance its effects. And at the very end, I'll share a special recipe for a creamy, plant-based milk you can add to your coffee, giving it a nutrient-packed twist that's perfect for your first cup of the morning, providing smooth, lasting energy to kick off your day. For many, coffee is a daily ritual. It signals the start of the day and remains a steady companion as the day unfolds. Beyond its familiar flavor and caffeine boost, coffee is packed with hundreds of biologically active compounds that influence how the body and brain function. Polyphenols and chlorogenic acid are examples of just two such compounds. They are potent antioxidants that protect cells from oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. Such compounds help explain why studies consistently show that regular coffee consumption is linked to lower risks of type 2 diabetes, liver disease, certain cancers, and even increased life expectancy. Caffeine, the most well-known component in coffee, improves focus, alertness, and physical performance, often within minutes of drinking. It also triggers the release of dopamine and serotonin, which regulate mood and contribute to mental clarity and a stable sense of well-being. Over time, consuming moderate amounts of coffee on a daily basis has been associated with better memory and a lower risk of cognitive decline, including neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Coffee doesn't just support the brain, it interacts with cardiovascular health as well. Moderate intake doesn't generally raise blood pressure and actually benefits individuals with naturally low blood pressure. 1 to 2 cups daily is considered safe for most people, offering benefits that outweigh potential downsides. Excessive intake, around 3 cups or more, overstimulates the nervous system, disrupts sleep, and contributes to mineral imbalances, including magnesium depletion. The takeaway is simple: moderation is key. What makes coffee truly fascinating is its adaptability. Unlike most beverages, coffee acts as a functional base. Small, deliberate additions can significantly change how the body responds, improving nutrient absorption, metabolism, and overall health. This works through a principle called bioavailability, how much your body can actually absorb and use. The right combinations can make nutrients far more effective than when consumed alone, meaning even small tweaks can have a powerful impact. First, let's talk about coffee roasts. Light and medium roasts are healthier. The shorter roasting preserves more antioxidants, especially chlorogenic acid. They also have less acidity, meaning they are easier on the stomach than darker roasts. Medium dark and dark roasts aren't necessarily bad for you, but are less beneficial. Flavor-wise, dark roasts pair beautifully with spices, while lighter roasts are more delicate. You can brew spices with any roast for a deeper taste, or sprinkle them in afterward for something milder. Play around and let your taste buds decide. This brings us to our next topic. We'll now look at some of the most accessible coffee additives: spices. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar, stabilize energy, and reduce coffee's acidity, making it gentler on the stomach. Not all cinnamon is the same. Ceylon cinnamon is ideal for daily use because it contains only trace amounts of coumarin, whereas cassia cinnamon, the more common variety, contains significantly higher levels, which are harmful to the liver in large amounts. A pinch of either cayenne pepper or black pepper can also transform your coffee. Cayenne pepper boosts metabolism, enhances digestion, improves circulation, and supports fat oxidation. Capsaicin, the active compound in cayenne, also helps suppress appetite by reducing the hunger hormone ghrelin. Black pepper enhances nutrient absorption, especially when combined with other additives, and balances coffee's natural bitterness, reducing the need for sweeteners. Other spices provide both flavor and functional benefits. Ginger supports digestion, improves gut motility, boosts metabolism, and enhances immune function. Cardamom helps reduce acidity, supports circulation, promotes oral health, and acts as a natural mood enhancer. Nutmeg provides antioxidants, supports cognitive function, and reduces inflammation, even in small amounts. Vanilla offers a calming effect, helps counter jitters, and provides a number of trace minerals. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, support liver health, and help reduce oxidative stress. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. However, it's poorly absorbed on its own. When combined with black pepper and a fat source like MCT oil or ghee, its absorption increases significantly, making it far more effective. Which brings us to our next topic: healthy fats. Coconut oil, MCT oil, and ghee can be added to create bulletproof coffee. These fats provide steady energy in the form of ketones, helping improve mental clarity, increase satiety, and reduce sudden energy slumps. Coconut oil supports metabolism and healthy HDL cholesterol. MCT oil delivers rapid energy and cognitive support. Ghee provides fat-soluble vitamins along with butyrate for gut health. Another important category is protein and structural support, which becomes increasingly important with age. Dairy milk's proteins, particularly casein, bind to the polyphenols in coffee, reducing their availability to your body by half. Plant-based milks are an excellent alternative to dairy milk, especially almond, oat, and coconut, as they enhance both the nutritional value and texture of your coffee. Almond milk is low in calories and high in vitamin E, helping protect cells from oxidative stress and maintain brain health. Oat milk provides fiber for heart health and satiety and is rich in beta-glucans for liver and immune system support. Coconut milk delivers lauric acid for energy, along with minerals like iron, magnesium, and potassium. If you do decide to go with any of these highly beneficial plant-based milks, be sure to always choose unsweetened versions. Like what you're learning? Like and subscribe for more natural health tips. It really helps the channel. And share this video with other health-conscious coffee drinkers who want to get more from their cup. Also, I'm curious, how do you take your coffee? Please let me know in the comment section below. And just ahead, I'll show you the simple, creamy, plant-based addition that will elevate your morning coffee both in taste and nutrition. Now let's continue. Beyond plant-based milks, there are other protein options that will further boost your coffee's benefits, especially for supporting muscles and connective tissue. Adding whey protein creates what's often called prophy, helping to increase protein intake, support muscle maintenance, improve satiety, and aid recovery. Its high leucine content directly stimulates muscle protein synthesis. Whey protein isolate is the best form of whey protein, as it promotes lean muscle growth and works well for those with mild lactose intolerance. It is highly refined, typically containing 90% or more protein, with minimal fat and lactose. Collagen peptides are another excellent option, supporting skin elasticity, joint health, and connective tissue, while remaining completely tasteless and easy to incorporate. Yet another powerful category to consider is functional mushrooms, which are becoming increasingly popular as coffee additives. Lion's mane supports focus, mental clarity, and nerve growth factor production. Chaga provides high levels of antioxidants and supports immune health. Reishi helps balance cortisol, reduce stress, and minimize caffeine jitters. Cordyceps improves energy, stamina, and oxygen utilization. Turkey tail supports immune function and gut health through beta-glucans. Keep in mind that many pre-mixed coffee and mushroom blends on the market use lower quality products and are relatively expensive. A smart approach is to purchase high-quality coffee and mushroom extracts separately, allowing you to control quality, adjust dosage, and save money. Next up, meet cacao, the superstar ingredient that turns your coffee into a true superfood. We're not quite done yet, but this one's too good not to highlight. Cacao stands out for both cognitive and cardiovascular support. Cacao is the healthier, pure form of the bean that cocoa comes from, packed with flavonoids, magnesium, and theobromine, unlike heavily processed cocoa, which loses most of its nutrients. These compounds improve blood flow, support brain function, lower blood pressure, and enhance mood. Adding cacao to coffee creates a smoother, more enduring energy effect without the sudden lulls caffeine alone typically produces. For maximum benefit, choose raw, non-alkalized cacao and avoid Dutch processing. Pure cacao has a hint of bitterness, so a smart natural addition can round out the flavor and add extra health perks. Which brings us to our next topic: sweeteners. Regular sugar offsets coffee's benefits and increases the risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. For this reason, it's best to completely eliminate sugar, as there are definitely much better alternatives. Inulin, a soluble fiber that acts as a prebiotic, supports gut health, improves digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and adds mild sweetness with creamy texture. Honey provides antioxidants and antimicrobial compounds and releases energy more gradually. One important note about honey: only add it once the coffee has cooled at least a little in order to preserve its vitamins and nutrients. Also, try to obtain raw, unfiltered, locally sourced honey. Xylitol is a low-calorie option that also supports dental health. If you must use a sweetener but don't like the others, coconut sugar is a far better choice than white sugar. With a lower glycemic impact and trace minerals, it's a reasonable backup. These alternatives let you enjoy sweetness without disrupting metabolism or undermining the benefits of your coffee. They're not only safe, but on the contrary, even offer their own health benefits. However, as usual, it's best to use them in moderation. And this is a crucial point. Coffee is a mild diuretic, so be sure to drink clean water after every cup to stay properly hydrated. A 1-to-1 or even 2-to-1 water-to-coffee ratio also supports digestion, reduce energy slumps, improve mental clarity, and help minimize tooth staining. This is a simple but essential habit for any health-conscious coffee drinker. With all these options, one principle remains constant: balance. Too many additives can reduce the overall benefits of coffee. Stick to 1 or 2 functional ingredients at a time, adjust based on goals and taste, and focus on consistency and moderation. And finally, here's that special recipe: sesame milk. Start by soaking about 2 tablespoons of black sesame seeds in water for 6 to 8 hours, ideally overnight. Once soaked, rinse them thoroughly, then blend with about 1 cup of clean water until smooth and creamy. At this stage, you can optionally add 2 dates, with the pits removed, for natural sweetness and additional nutritional value. If you do choose to add the dates, blend them together with the sesame seeds. Next, strain the mixture through cheesecloth or a nut milk bag, squeezing out every last bit of liquid into a glass container. To use it, simply add about 2 tablespoons of this sesame milk to your first cup of coffee in the morning, along with a pinch of cinnamon and a pinch of Himalayan pink salt. Store the milk in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, and be sure to shake well before each use. And don't throw anything away. The leftover pulp can be added to yogurt, mixed into salads, used in baking, or incorporated anywhere else for an extra nutritional boost. Nutritionally, sesame milk is rich in calcium, magnesium, iron, healthy fats, and plant-based protein. It supports bone health, cardiovascular function, and digestion, while also slowing caffeine absorption, providing a smoother, more sustained energy release without sudden surges or crashes, helping you start the morning balanced and stay energized and focused throughout the day. Himalayan pink salt contains over 80 trace minerals, including iron, calcium, potassium, and magnesium. Because of this mineral content, adding a small pinch helps support hydration by providing essential electrolytes that aid in fluid balance. This makes it a useful addition, especially since coffee has a mild dehydrating effect. If you choose to include the dates, they provide additional benefits as a nutrient-dense fruit. They are high in fiber, antioxidants, and potassium, supporting digestive health, delivering natural energy, promoting heart health by helping to lower cholesterol, and contributing to both bone health and brain function. For a wider range of nutrients, alternate this sesame milk with the other plant-based milks we discussed earlier. Coffee, when used correctly, is more than just caffeine. It's a flexible system that supports cognitive function, metabolism, physical performance, and long-term health. Small, consistent adjustments can transform it from a simple habit into a powerful daily superfood. As always, a point that deserves special emphasis is the quality of the ingredients, and the fact that everything discussed here should be consumed in moderation. Whenever possible, try to choose organic products for all the foods discussed in this video. Reducing exposure to pesticides and other agricultural chemicals helps lessen the burden placed on your system, allowing it to focus on its many essential functions. I often emphasize the importance of organic ingredients and moderation throughout my videos, because these aspects of good health are significant and can make a meaningful difference over time. You should also research these topics further on your own and consider consulting a healthcare professional, especially if you have any medical conditions or take prescription medications. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more content on natural health, and let me know in the comments which of these additions you're already using or which one you'll try next. Thank you for watching, and I wish you continued good health.